Good morning, students. Welcomes you all in today's online lesson. This is Avinash Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa. Welcomes you all in today's online lesson. Now, the topic is preparation for algebra. Algebra. Okay. Now, students, can you count this object? Yes. Okay, start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We will numbering them. This is 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5.
and 6. So there are total 6 objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me know which are these number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can we take any random numbers? Or we always start counting from 1? Yes, we starts counting from 1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are counting numbers. So now we will see counting numbers. See here, read the numbers.
1, 2,
Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And so on. Means these are counting numbers. Yes. We will continue it after adding 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. These are counting numbers. And see here, counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Natural numbers are defined as counting numbers or positive integers beginning with 1 and increase by 1 forever. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, and so on. This is number line. And here, the row mark means it is continue. So these are counting numbers or natural numbers. Now, see the next one. Here, the number starts from
0.
0 means see here, number starts from 0 are known as whole numbers and the number starts from 1 are known as natural numbers. Now, students, give me some examples of odd numbers. All of you know odd numbers? Yes, students? Give me some examples of odd number.
3.
Yes. Yes. The numbers 1, 3, 5,
7,
7. Yes, then 9 and so on. And the even numbers are
2, 0, 2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
8,
8, and so
8.
on. Okay. Now tell me prime numbers. Which are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divided by itself and not from any other numbers. Means the prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, then 11, and so on. Then, are you knowing composite numbers? Yes. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. Now, see examples of these odd numbers are, read the numbers
3, 5, 7, 9,
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and even numbers are
2, 2, 4,
2,
6,
4.
8, 10,
Okay. And the prime numbers are
2, 3, 5, 7, 11.
very good. Now, and composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9. So, now see what is this? Can anyone tell me? What is this? See here, this is sign of addition or subtraction.
Addition.
This is sign of addition, and this is sign
Minus.
of minus or subtraction, and this is this one
Divided.
dividation or division, and this one the cross sign, it is sign for multiplication. Okay, so all these are known as mathematical operators. Okay, or arithmetical operators. See here, these all are mathematical operations. First one is plus or addition. Okay, now second one is minus or subtraction. Third one is obulus or division, and last one is cross sign is times means we multiply it, so it is multiplication. Now when we use it, okay, first one is we use example 2 plus 1 for adding numbers, and when we use minus,
When we subtract.
okay, good, when we subtract, and when we use division,
For dividation.
for dividation. Very good, so we can divide, yes, and the last one is multiplication,
To multiply.
to multiply. Okay, 4 into 2. So see here, 2 plus 1 here. How many numbers are here in first one? In this one, how many numbers? Two numbers, na?
Yes.
2 and 1. And 1 is here. This is operation plus sign here. So here is two numbers and one mathematical operation. So this part is known as expression. Okay. Now here the another expression, 2 minus 1, 4 divided by 2. These are operation. These are expressions. Expressions means, see here, what is mean by expression? Read the sentence.
A sentence with a minimum of two numbers and at least one math operation is called as an expression.
An expression. Okay, good. Means a sentence with minimum of two numbers. See here, first one, 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are two numbers. And which are math operation? All of you know. Math operations are plus, minus, division and multiplication. So see here, 5 plus 3. Here 5 and 3 are numbers and plus is math operation. So it is expression. Now next one is 13 minus 6. So here 13 and 6 are numbers. And minus sign is math operation. So it is also an expression. Now third one is 12 divided by 4. So here 12 and 4 are two numbers. And which is the math operation? Yes, tell me. Here the math operation is division. So all these are expressions. See here. Now give some examples of expressions. Can you tell me? Yes, expression means when we use at least two numbers and one mathematical operation. See here, means 2 plus 1. We don't have to find the answer. We have to only write two numbers and one mathematical operation. And mathematical operation must be in between two numbers. Now, tell me the next example. Use any two numbers and one mathematical operation. Yes, 2 plus 1 or 3 plus 2. Then we use any natural numbers and any math operation among four. Yes, then 3 minus 1, 2 into 2. Is it right, students? Can you hear me? Yes. Now, see the next one. So, our today's subtopic is equality. Okay. What do you mean by equality? See a sign. Equality means both sides are equal or the both or the all are equal. So, see, suppose that by performing mathematical operation on two numbers, we have obtained the number 12. Let us find pairs of such numbers. So, see here, the mathematical operations are, we know that plus, minus, multiplication and division. So, by using this mathematical operation, we have to find the answer 12. So, already the value is given, that is 12. So, we have to find the number pairs of numbers to obtain the number 12. So first we use plus sign. Okay. Now we can write 6 plus 6. Okay. Now tell me other whose answer is 12. Use any one math operation and two numbers. Yes. 6 plus 6, then tell me the expressions. Yes, student. Then 2 into 6, whose answer must be 12. Then, yes, 8 plus 4. Hello,
Yes.
24 divided by 2. So see here, from 6 plus 6, what is the answer we get? 6 plus 6 is
12.
12. Very good. Now 8 plus 4 is
मला काय समजत नाही आता.
8 plus 4 is
12.
12. 2 into 6 is
12.
12. Very good. Now 24 divided by 2 is
12.
12. So the answer of all these expressions is 12. Okay, now can you tell me any other expressions like this? Whose answer is 12?
2.
Yes? 2.
1 to
2
the
plus 10. Very good. 2 plus 10.
Sir.
Yes?
Sir.
Yes, yes. Okay.
9 plus 3.
9 plus 3. Very good. 9 plus 3. Okay. Now tell me others. 9 plus 3 and other expressions. 9 plus 3.
7 plus 5.
7 plus 5. Very good. Now tell me expression of minus sign. Fraction.
14 minus 2.
14 minus 2. Very good. Now from multiplication. Yes.
16 minus 4.
16 minus 4. Okay. We can write 4 into 3 by using multiplication. Tell me other expressions. Yes. 12 into 1. So all these are expressions whose value is 12. Yes. Now see here. Suppose that performing mathematical operation on two numbers, we have obtained the number 12. Let us find pair of such numbers. They could be, so here the pairs are given. First one is, read this one, 6 plus,
6 plus 6.
okay, 15 minus,
3. 6.
then next,
6 multiplied by 2.
yes,
24 divided by 2.
okay. So all these are expressions. These blue colors are all the expressions. Now 6 plus 6 is
12.
12. Good. Now 15 minus 3,
12.
12. 16 into 2,
12.
24 divided by 2.
12.
So all the expressions having answer is 12. So all the expressions are equal. Yes. When we want to say a number obtained by adding 6 and 6, it is easier to express it by using bracket like this. So we can write it by using brackets. All of you know brackets?
Yes.
Yes. So always to show expressions, we use brackets. So it is easier to express. Now see. Okay, now see here. The value is 12, all of expressions. The value of each of these expression is 12.
12.
Okay, good. Now which means all these expressions are equal to each other. Yes. All expressions are equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. Now 15 minus 3,
12.
12. Okay. 12 is equal to 12. Yes.
Yes.
Means 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 3. Yes. That
Yes.
is equal to 12. Means 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 3. See here, 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 3. Right? See here, 6 plus 6 is equal to 24 divided by 2.
Yes.
Means all these are equal expressions. So this is known as equality. An expression such as 6 plus 6 is equal to 15 minus 3 or 6 plus 6 24 divided by 2 is called an equality. What is known as
Yes.
equality? Yes, means the
Equality.
value of each expression is equal.
Equality.
Yes, so today we learn about equality. Okay, now here the problem for solve. Read the problem. Read this one.
Using brackets, write three pairs of numbers whose sum is 13. Use them to write three equality.
Okay, so here the sum means addition. What?
Addition.
Addition. Very good. Means the sum is already given 13 and we write three pairs. Okay, whose sum is or
Equality.
addition is 13. So tell me numbers. Whose sum is 13?
7 plus 6 is equal to 13.
Very good. 7 plus 6. Okay. This one is first expression. Okay. Now tell me other. We have to write three pairs. So this is one. Next one is
10 minus 2.
no. We write here addition only.
Yes.
We can write 9 plus 4.
Yes.
Then
8 plus 8 plus 5.
8 plus 5. Very good. Then 10
Then
plus 3.
yes.
Okay. And other
Other
12 plus 1.
yes.
So all these expressions are equal to each other. Yes.
11 plus 2.
11 plus 2. Okay. Very easy. Good. Now all these expressions are equal to each other. Yes.
Yes.
We can write the equalities like this. 7 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 5 and 9 plus 4 is equal to, we can write 10 plus 3 here. Yes. Okay, to write equalities we use equal sign. See here, this is equal sign.
11 plus 1 is equal to 11 plus 2.
Very good. So all these are equalities. Now see here, answer. We can write 6 plus 3, then 8 plus 5.
10 plus 3.
Okay, now equalities are, see here, read.
6 plus 7 is equal to 8 plus 5. 6
Very,
plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 3. 8 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 3.
very good. So these are equalities. Now read the question.
Find 4 pairs of the bus word for each of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division that make the number 18. Write the equalities for each of them.
Very good. Means we have to find different pairs. Okay. Each of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here we will write expression using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And our answer is must be 18. So
10 plus 8.
10 plus 8. Very good. This is for
Addition.
addition. Now next one for
20,
subtraction.
20 minus 2.
20 minus 2. Good. Okay. Now for multiplication. Yes.
6 multiplied by 3.
Very good. 6 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now for division.
Sir, I have a problem with equation in one variable.
We can write 36 divided by 2.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now tell me equalities.
18.
We can write equalities like 10 plus 8 is equal to what?
18.
20 minus 2. Next one is 6
18.
into 3 is
18.
equal to 36 minus 36 divided by 2. So these are equalities. See the answer. See your answer. For addition, we will write 9 plus 9. For subtraction, 20 minus 2. And for multiplication, 9 multiplied by 2. And for division, 36 divided by 2. And equalities, read the equalities.
It,
9 plus 9 is equal to
18.
So we don't have to tell answer. We will only write it and read it. 9 plus 9 is equal to. Very
20
good.
minus 2. 9 multiplied by 2.
Yes.
9
multiplied
multiplied by 2.
is equal to.
36 divided by 2.
Very good. Now see the next one. The next topic is inequality. Equality means the equal ones and inequality means not equal.
Not equal.
Okay. See here. Read this one.
7 plus 5 and 7 multiplied by 5.
Okay, now tell me the answers. 7 plus 5 is? 7 plus 5 is?
12.
12. And 7 into 5 is? 7 multiplied by 5 is? 35. Okay. So here 12 is equal to 35. 12 and 35 are equals? Yes or no?
Not equal. Not
equal.
equal.
So we can write like this. These are not equal. So this is inequality. So these two expressions are not equal. Okay. Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay. See here. The values of 7 plus 5 and 7 into 5 are 12 and 35 respectively. So yes, 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 5 is 12 and 7 into 5 is 35. It means they are not equal. So to represent not equal, the symbol not equal is used. Means 7 plus 5 is not equal to 7 multiplied by 5. This kind of representation is called an inequality. What we call inequality.
Inequality.
Okay. Say whether it is equal or not equal.
Not equal.
How? 9 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 14 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Means 14 is not equal to 5. So here we write not equal sign. Now next one, it is equal or not equal. Second one, 4 into 6 is
10.
4 multiplied 6 is not 10. It is multiplication. So see here 24. Good. And 10 plus 14 is 10 plus 14 is
24.
24. So here 24 is equal to 24. Yes. So this is equality.
Equality.
Now third one, 20 minus 5 is
25.
20 minus 5. It is not addition. It is subtraction. 15. Good. And 5 into 5.
25.
So 15 is not equal to 25. Yes.
Yes.
Or it is equal. Not equal. Okay, now the last one. 30 minus 10 is
20.
20. Good. And 10 plus 10 is
20.
20 is equal to 20. Yes. It is equal or not equal? So we will
Equal.
write equal sign here. Good. Now see here, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 15 divided by 3 is 15 divided by 3 is 5. Means that the expression 9 minus 5 and 15 minus 3 are not equal. If two expressions are not equal, one of them may be greater or smaller than the other. See here, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So here is 4 is equal to 5. It is equality or inequality?
Inequality.
Inequality. So here
Inequality.
4 is greater than 5 or smaller than 5? Four is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5? Yes.
Smaller.
Smaller. So it is not equal and it is smaller than 5. To show greater or lesser values, we use symbols like, see here, this is symbols. This is used for smaller than and this is used for greater than. Therefore, these symbols can also be used to show inequalities. So for showing inequalities, we don't use unequal sign. Instead of that sign, we use greater than or smaller than. See here, 4 is not equal to 5. but 4 is smaller than 5. So here we write 4 is smaller than 5, means the expression 9 minus 5 is smaller than 15 divided by 3. Now, here some problems for you. Fill in the boxes between expressions with first sign is, this is smaller than sign, this is equal sign or greater as required. Okay, now 9 plus 8 is 9 plus 8 is, tell me the answer. 9 plus 8 is, okay, 9 plus 8 is 17.
70.
70.
Very good. Now 30 divided by 2 is,
30 divided by 2. 30 divided.
15.
15. Okay, good. Means 17 is equal to 15 or not equal?
Not equal.
Not equal. So here 17 is bigger than 15 or smaller than 15?
Bigger.
Bigger means it's greater. For greater we use which sign? Which this one or this one? Which one?
Greater than.
Greater than sign. So we can write 17 is greater than 15. So we will write greater than sign here. Okay. Can you get it?
Yes.
So instead of unequal sign, we use greater than, smaller than signs. Okay. Now see here the answer. 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, and 13 divided by 2 is 15. So 17 is greater than 15. Therefore, we can write 9 plus 8. Expression 9 plus 8 is smaller than expression 13 divided by 2. Now see the next one. Now, can you do the multiplication?
Yes.
Okay, 16 into 3 is,
16 into 3. 9.
48.
yes,
48.
48. Very good. 16 into 3 is 48. And 4 into 12 is,
48.
48. Okay, means 48 is equal to 48. Yes,
Yes.
48 are equal. So we can write
Is equal
16
to
equal to 4 into, this
12.
is equality. The answer 16 into 3 and 4.
48.
Okay, 48 are equal. Therefore, 16 into 3 is equal to 4 into 12. Now, do this. 16 minus 5 is,
16 minus 5. 11.
11. Good. And 2 into 7 is, 2 multiplied by 7 is
14.
14. So here 11 is greater than 14 or smaller than 14, or is it is equal?
11 is smaller than 14.
For smaller, which sign we use?
Smaller than.
This one, or this? Okay, this is first, second, and third. Which sign? First, second, or third?
First.
Good. Means
First.
expression 16 minus 5 is smaller than expression 2 multiplied by 7. This is answer. See here, 16 minus 5 is 11 and 2 into 7 is 14. So here 11 is smaller than 14. Therefore, we can write 16 minus 5 is smaller than 2 into 7. Okay, this is for you. Say whether it is right or wrong. So we have to write it is right or wrong or true or false. The first one is 23 plus 4 is
Is right.
right, because 23 plus 4 is 27 and 4 plus 23 is 27. So these two are equals, means this is right. We can. And second one, 9 plus 4 is greater than 12. It is right or wrong?
It is
Wrong.
wrong.
Wrong. 9 plus 4 is 13 and 13 is greater than 12. Is it wrong? It is right. So we can say here right.
Right.
Okay, now here 138 is smaller than 138. Is it right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Why?
That is equality.
That is equality. 138 is always equal to 138. So it is wrong. I will put wrong sign here. And fourth one, 138,
Wrong.
Wrong.
wrong. And now fifth one,
Correct.
Well, correct.
correct. So it is equality. Yes.
Yes.
Now the last one, 4 into 7 is 4 multiplied by 7 is
28.
28. And 30 minus 2 is,
30 minus 28.
is it equal or not equal?
Correct.
Equal. Equal.
So this one is right. Yes.
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 Very good. We solve all. Now, this is for your homework. Fill in the blanks with right symbols from greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Okay. This
Yes.
one for your homework, and we will end here today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you for